Bill Murray in Stripes said, an army without leaders is like a foot without a big toe. And Jan has been a big toe for most of her professional life.
It was wonderful when Judge Jurden was appointed to the Superior Court bench because as a woman in practice, you always look for those appointments and to make sure there's representation of women on the bench. But then when she became the president judge of Superior Court, it was really a time for celebration. One of the words that she uses very frequently is inspired. She draws inspiration from what she sees every day and what she sees on the bench and the struggles of people who are before her. And that inspiration she instills in other people and the projects that she's involved in. What really gets her creative juices going are problems that she sees, whether others see them or not. In the Superior Court, what she was seeing is that folks were involved with the justice system because they were incapable of making good choices, not because they didn't want to, but they just couldn't. And it became clear to her, I think, that mental health was a factor in a large number of the cases that she was seeing. So she, on her own, decided to do something about it. She created this court, this mental health court. That work, she took on her own. Nobody said, you should do this. She just saw a problem and dealt with it. Became a model, first for courts around the country and now throughout the world. That work has really educated the bar as well. Before she went on the bench, in practice, we were in the civil side of practice and in a larger, for Delaware, law firm private practice. And one of the early observations that she had on the bench was that we were insulated in what we saw and from the problems that the community suffered. And those are the problems that she set out persistently, consistently, every day on the bench to resolve. And as we in private practice see that example, we learn much more about the community and what the bench can do to help solve a wide array of problems. She leads by example, and it's not simply her position, but her activities that are inspiring to all of us and set a wonderful example for all of us.